Hello friends, welcome back to Surya Sweet Sensation. Today we are going to make little flowers. This one that you can use for to decorate any dessert or your mini cupcake or cupcakes, or you can make a big plant or like your garden based cake, where you can use this little one. So we will see wired one also and without wired also, we'll see together. Okay, so again I'm using my favorite sugar paste. From Aarti Mirchi. Okay, and what we are going to use today for this little flower, we are going to use cutters. So depend on the size that you would like to make for your flower. Some Mazina, just to give you the non-stickiness for your fondant. I'm using colors, and for this centerpiece I'm going to use our sugar that is really easily available in our kitchen, and again this wires and your rolling pin and your board. Okay, so let's start with that. Okay, so let's do the center first. Okay, so I'm just using a little bit of fondant, making a nice round and just giving a little bit tip on this one. And this is the very small, like hardly 3 centimeter or 2.5 centimeter of thinnest wire, and I'm molding it like this. Okay, this one. And now I'm putting this wire again at the side of this ball, so that this part can be on tip of this fondant ball. Okay, that will give you more stability. Okay, so this is how I'm just giving nice shape. You can make round and you can make some oval shape, all depends how you want your flower to be. Okay, so once it is done, it is ready for this sugar work now. So what we need to do is, I'm just using a little bit of sugar. Here's the sugar. Based on the color choice, I'm using yellow dusting color to color my sugar. You can use cast sugar also, that will give you very nice look, especially when you make your what we say, lilies. So center of lilies, if you use caster sugar, it is more nicer than normal one. That also is very thin one, or smallest. You can see that these are very small particles of sugar. Okay, so my sugar color is ready. You can see here. You can add some shimmer also, edible shimmer, to give some nice look, but I think this crystal sugar should be enough. Okay, now you can use water or edible glue to, I'm just using water and just dipping it, single dip, and now I'm just this is how I'm just putting this inside sugar, and now dipping it. This is my center is ready. You can see how nicely it is, and once it is dry, it will really be very beautiful. And if you add shimmer into that, it will be more beautiful. But yeah, we don't want like artificial look, so let it be like this, because sugar is well enough to sparkle or shine. Okay, so you can put this to dry it out. I'm just putting it here. Okay, now let's make this part of the flower. So remember, for wired one it is little bit thick, not very thin, because it may break your petals. Okay, so let's start with that. And I forgot to mention, we are going to use this tool, that is you can see a diamond tool, to make the center edges of the flower. Okay, let's see how it is working. Okay, so I'm rolling it down, and we are going to work with this one. I'm just making a shape, like kind of what we say pyramid shape. Okay, so once this is done, I'm going to roll it now. Okay, this is how this part is little bit thick, because I'm going to work on my edges of the flower on this, and the center one is this one, so we won't need this one this much, but yeah, just to make the shape I'm just rolling it that way. Okay, so once it is done, I'm using the biggest one, so make sure it is thin enough so that your cutter can go inside of this flower. So I'm done with this now. I'm just giving some nice shape so that my flower can go nicely, because see, if you see now, it is cutting my flower itself. So I'm just pressing it down. Okay, now I'm done. Okay, and put it to center, and okay, this is done. Now I'm not removing it. Before removing only, I'm just using this diamond tool and putting this into center. Okay, my hands are here, it's not coming out. I'm just giving this center. Okay. And now you can take this out, you can see the shape. Now I'm using this tab and using rolling pin to make this shape. Yeah, okay, and just using my fingers, I'm just making this shape. Okay. So this is done, and if you want some deeper shape, just make sure you make edge to edge, and then Now it's done. And now I'm just cutting from back because we don't need this big. Okay, and if you don't want to use wire, that is fine, you can simply use like this and give some shading inside. And if I want to use the wired, this is the center that we made. I'm just putting some water here. Okay, and inside. So before putting this inside, I would like to dust it. Okay, so, or you can make a white one. Let's make white this time. Okay, yeah. So once it is done, you can just make its edges nicely. So that is done. Okay, now you're done. It's very quick. And let me give some shading of yellow now instead of the dark one. Okay, here you go. Our flower is ready. Okay, so this was the wired one, and now if you want